Tron. We drift in them supercars. Chase down, feel like I'm LeBron. 392 supercharged. One button, just press the star. She throwed it while I'm in park. I nutted all on the hard.
So, Cuss by Reggie. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike them, thumbs down, right? So, I get questions about accessories at times, about what's my favorite accessory. And anyway, I'm going to just do one real quick. Try not to be here too long. My favorite accessory is a product that I've talked about before, but we can talk about a little bit more, right? So this is an item from Crazy Good, right? Crazy Good, and I will leave a link down below for their website. This is my newest box from them. So with my newest box, which every time I get new clippers, I get a new box or something. Not every time, because I get a lot of clippers. But if you wonder, this is my main setup right now. These are my main go-tos right now, right? And the reason I say I got a new box is because I also have a 3, and I also have another 6, right? So these are charge boxes, right? Let me take these clippers out and kind of explain what the charge box is, right? So in today's world of barbering, a lot of people like charging docks, and a lot of people, when let's say you get a clipper and it don't have a charging dock, some people will be like, it makes no sense, we should have a charging dock. But with this, you don't need your clipper company to give you a charging dock, right? Because with this from Crazy Good, it lets you create whatever you want, right? So they have a 3, right? They have a 3 box, which is called the Side Street, and it is $95. All right. So that's a $95 one where you can create your own color, right? Create your own color, and you can put the inserts in of any kind that you want, any clipper shaver that you want, all right? They have a 4, which is called the Main Street. I don't have a 4 box. It's called the Main Street though, and it is $135 if I'm not mistaken, okay? But then you got the 6, which this was their first one that they brought out. This is the 6 box. This costs $215 or $255, right? So the difference in price is the shipping. So the $215, I think the delivery is 4 weeks, custom made box, 4 weeks, whatever. And then for the $255, it changed the delivery to 2 weeks, right? And in that box, you will get a charging cord, 3-prong charging cord. The best thing about this is the only cord that you got. So certain items that you use for charging might take up a lot of space, or you still have more than one cord. This is literally only one cord, and I'll put a video of it set up on the station. Everything's charging. This is all you need, right? Another good thing about it is they charge the same amount of time that the item would normally charge, right? So it's not changing anything. It don't take long to charge them. Each one charge at the same time. They also have another one. It's a LED box. It's $350. They have a LED box, and they also have a cordless box coming where you charge it up, but it's cordless, which in the sense of, yes, you got to charge the box up, but after you charge that box up, that box can go anywhere you want without a cord. And it only, I think it lasts for like 3 to 5 days, maybe longer. All right. But that's not out yet. That's coming later. But so what you do, you go to their website, you pick the color of the box, right? You pick the color of the main box, the outlining. As you can see, I got a orange outline on that one, and then you click the color of the inserts. You pick the color of the inserts, and as you can see, each one is built for whatever clipper that you're using. So my two Rebels are here, my Andis Master is here, two Babyliss Gold FXs, and then the FX3 shaver. They do get hair in them. That's one thing I don't like, especially if you got a lighter color. The hair fall on it, make it look a little messy sometimes, but that's not a big deal, right? So you pick your box from them, okay? So yeah, and and the reason I held this upside down is because there is a lock feature, right? So you can set them on there barely like that. They will still charge, which I'll show in the video. They will still charge if you set them on, but that's for during the day when you don't want to struggle to get it out. You just set it on there, but you take it out quick, right? Then they got a lock feature where you set it down in there. That's for your overnight when everything is going, everything is closed, right? So that's what that's for. A good thing also, and it depends on the clipper that you use. So a lot of people ask about if it overcharges or if these don't overcharge. The best thing about this is fully charged. Put it on the charger. What the good thing about it is once it's fully charged, it's gonna cut off. This one that I've been using, see, it's charging. Fully charged, so it cuts off, still charging. Let's say you have a Rebel, all right? And you got your Rebel in there, right? The good thing about the Rebel is once this is fully charged, it cuts off. And the Rebel is not the only clipper to do that, but it does depend on certain clippers, right? So you got the Rebel in there, it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it cuts off. So you're not overheating, you're not in the risk of catching anything on fire or anything. So that's a great thing about this box, all right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell, so a lot of people ask me about accessories and things that I like. This is, I think, the best thing that the barber industry has right now, as besides the clippers. Of course, there's good things all over the place. This here, this Crazy Good Power Box is one of the best things I've seen that I've used. In the fact of charging, it's literally only one cord. When you order right here, they'll give you your number, the number that you are when you order. But you pick any clipper that you want. And so when I say I buy different boxes, that doesn't mean that you necessarily need to buy different boxes, right? Let's say you got the Rebel, but you don't want to keep using the Rebel. You want a JRL. Instead of buying a whole new box, like I got here, to fit the JRL in, you take that, you go to the website and just order the insert. The insert alone is $25. You order an insert, they send you the equipment, and in your equipment, you got, when they send it to you, you'll have something in the box where you can pop these out, all right? Maybe I'll make another video on how to change the insert. But you can pop these out and just put in the insert that you want it to be. Okay, so you don't have to always get a new box whenever you get a new trimmer or clipper or shaver. Or you don't have to say, well, since I don't have that on my slot, I can't use this charging box to charge a clipper. Go to the website, $25, buy you a new insert, change it out, boom, you good, you back up and running. All right, so I just wanted to explain that real quick. Again, the name is Crazy Good LLC. All right. Follow them on Instagram. I'll leave the website link down below so you can go to their website. I don't think anybody should not have one of these. I think these are one of the, like I said, it's the best thing going. And of course, that's just my opinion. You can disagree or you can send hate email. I don't mind that. But Crazy Good, Cuss by Reggie. If you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. comment, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'll be back with another video sometime soon. All right. Peace.